To me, Campus Connections is a program where we take youth exposed to adversity in the community of Fort Collins and Loveland, and we pair them with mentors from the Colorado State University system, and we get to grow with them and get to know them and are just there for them throughout the semester.
Okay, to be a mentor in Campus Connections means that you are providing the youth with a safe and consistent space for them to grow as an individual and to make a positive impact in their lives.
It's nothing like I've ever had in my life before. I'd say the closest thing I've had to it is just being like an older brother.
And I have learned how to meet the needs of not only the youth, but the other mentors that I'm working with.
It's a really personal experience because over the course of a semester, you form a bond with a youth. You're helping to build up this kid into a stronger individual, and you're benefiting so much from this relationship that you're actually becoming a stronger individual yourself along the way.
The community at Campus Connections with all the mentors has been really cool. We get to meet people that maybe we wouldn't come across on campus, and I really feel like the mentors, which I've worked with since I was a mentor and now as lead mentor coach, I think that we're there for each other in and out of Campus Connections.
We get so close with your fellow mentors over the course of the semester, and then at the end you all get to link up on social media and you see each other on campus, and you have this unique shared experience that no one else really knows about, and that's a very bonding thing. I think I've grown as a more empathetic leader at Campus Connections. You go through life not always considering little perspectives. It's very easy to tunnel vision. As a leader, I'm able to now more broadly see how individuals may function differently and what needs to be catered to them in order for everyone to succeed.
The development that's happening in their heads and in their bodies is a huge determining factor to the rest of their life and their success. My journey was a little bit muddied, and I would like to help people find a way through that if I can.
When students ask me why they should join Campus Connections, my only response is, why wouldn't they? It's awesome, it's incredible, and it is the best thing that I have been a part of at CSU.